Slay the grade, Gen Z to Gen Alpha and beyond. How to manage your finances. Today's highlight: 1. Cash flow, 2. Protection, 3. Investment. Step 1. Cash flow. To record cash flow accurately, it's essential to start by allocating expenses based on percentages. 1. 50% from income equals needs, 2. 30% from income equals wish, 3. 20% from income equals savings. Needs. Separate 50% of income for all primary needs. These needs include food, clothing, and shelter. Make sure the primary needs do not exceed 50%. Wish. The next 30% we can allocate for our wishes. For example, buying the things we want but should not exceed 30%. If not used, the funds can be allocated for savings. Savings. Before allocating funds for needs and wish, first separate 20% for savings. Try not to use savings funds. Savings funds will be used for the next step. Step 2. Protection. The next step is the allocation of funds for protection. The protection fund is obtained from 20% of the savings that we set aside each month. If the savings fund has reached 6x of salary, we can enter step 2.
Various kinds of protection. Insurance fund, list of health insurance and life insurance. Emergency funds that must be available to be safe at least 3x our income each month. Step 3, investment. After step 2 is fulfilled, we can go to step 3. Step 3 is allocating funds for investment. For income that is not so big, we can choose the following investments. 1. Invest in something that creates income. 2. Invest in financial instruments. Thank you for watching. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel.